Gone are the days when creating a website used to be a time-consuming and tedious task. Now with the help of AI, all you need to do is simply type in your prompt and you have a website within a few minutes. The platform that we'll be looking at in this tutorial is Orchids AI, and I'll be showing you how to create a website as a complete beginner, even if this is your first time interacting with a AI builder or if this is your first time creating a website. Don't worry, I'll be holding your hand and walking you through step by step. I've included links in the pinned comment and description so you can try it out for yourself. This is an example website that I created and it just took me a few minutes. By the way, this is how the Orchids editor section looks. All you need to do is simply type in your prompt, as you can see from the top left hand corner. After you have typed in your prompt, you can publish your website, and if you want the AI to assist you with editing the website or customizing it, you can do that. Or if you want to manually do it, you can do that also. And you can see my website right here. Persons are now able to book my services or consultation, as I can share the website URL. And yes, you'll be given a free website that you can share with your customers or so on. So you'll get your web presence just like that using Orchids AI. Let's dive in. Once on the home page, you're going to sign up by tapping on login in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to enter in what type of website you'd like to create. So for example, I want to create a website for my photography business, and you want to make sure your prompt is detailed. So what I typed in was make a website for my photography business. I wanted to have a gallery page with my previous work, and also I want to have a booking page that displays my different services, which include landscape photos, real estate photos, and baby photos, and add PayPal as the payment method. After you have done that, you're just going to tap on enter. So you'll tap on send. After tapping on send, you're going to give it a few seconds, and you can see that Orchid is working. So just give it a few seconds, and I'll be telling you how long it actually takes to create my website. It took roughly 3 minutes, but you can see how the website turned out. As you can see right here, if we were to preview it, and it looks very clean. And if they want to view our gallery, they could select view gallery. Once you have done that, you can see how it looks. You can select whichever one of the image. If it is a case that you would like to book the services, they'll select booking. And you can see our different services, and you'll be able to fill out the information, choose the date, then you'll tap on pay with PayPal. So it does look professional. Now let's say you would like to customize it. For example, if it is a case that you wanted to change your name in the top left hand corner, you can tap on the box right here. After doing that, let's say we would like to change the name. Change the name to Jason's Tutorial. And you can also ask them to change, for example, the logo if you want, but we'll leave it as is. And you'll tap on send, and within a few seconds to a minute, it will also change the name. If it is a case that you would like to make changes manually, you can also do that. To make changes manually, you'll tap on design in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on design, you can tap on the section that you would like to edit. So for example, I could tap on the name right here. And I could change the name myself, but you can see that it automatically changes it. And also, if I wanted to remove a text, I could select the text. I can remove it just like that, or I could add in a text. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you could also add in font if you want. So let me do that once more. I could also add in the font, so I could change a font if I want. You can add the font size, you can also add the color. If it is a case that you would like to, for example, change the background, you can do that by simply uploading your background photo. So there are numerous options that you have access to. If you would like to change it manually, you can do that. And if you would like to change it with the help of Orchids AI, you can also do that. So if it is a case that you would like to replace the images, you can select the image. Then go over to the left-hand menu option, select replace, and you could upload the image that you would like to use. You can also tap on the pricing that is currently there, and we could change the pricing, as you can see right there. So it's as easy as that to edit. Once you're finished editing it and it is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After selecting publish, you'll tap on it once more and just give it a few seconds while it is being published. And by the way, to enter in, or better yet to fully add your PayPal option, you'll need to go onto PayPal, and from there, as you can see right here, you'll need to get your PayPal business account and you get your PayPal API credentials and you'll integrate it via JavaScript SDK. There are numerous tutorials showing how to do that. If it is a case that you would like me to create a tutorial step by step showing how to do that, I can also do that. And if we were to select upgrade, you can see you can get started for completely free. And if you want to go onto the paid plan, it will start off at $25 per month and it goes up to $99 per month. With the $25 per month plan, you'll be able to deploy 10 websites. You'll also get access better to website analytics, custom domains, and you can use their pay as you go feature. So it is a good option if you're a complete beginner and you want a website builder that all you need to do is type in a prompt, or if you want to create an app or anything at all, a funnel or anything, you can do that using Orchids app. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.